Good morning class. In this video we shall deal with the next chapter, that is area of trapezium and a polygon. So area of trapezium, we are going to deal with area of trapezium and about other figures like a triangle, a square. We are going to deal with the areas of these as well. So let's start. The first part is triangle. So in triangle we are going to learn about the perimeter and the area. So how we find the perimeter of triangle? You can see this is a triangle and here the sides are given, that is A, B and C. Now to find the perimeter, what we have to do, we have to just add all the side, and that is the perimeter, because A, B, C are the three sides of triangle. So for finding the perimeter, we will just add the three sides and we will get the perimeter. Perimeter is the outer boundary. Now for finding the area where the sides of the triangle is given, what we do, we just under root s minus a, s minus b and s minus c, where s is the semi perimeter. That is, we have to first find the perimeter and then we have to divide the perimeter by 2. That is called the semi perimeter, which is written as S. Now the next method of finding area is when one side is given, that is base is given and corresponding height is given, then how we find the area? In that situation we just half base into height, that is we take the base, half of the base into height. So we'll just see in the next figure which is given in the book. You can see this one, this figure. In this figure BC is taken as the base and AP is the altitude or AP is the height. So it will be half of BC into AP. In the next one AC is the base, so it will be half of AC into BQ, because BQ is the perpendicular line. In the next one AB is the base, so it will be taken as, area will be taken as half of AB into CR, because CR is the perpendicular. So in this way we find the area of triangle, the condition when the base and the height is given. Similarly, if we want to find the base, we have to multiply with 2 times of area into height, and if we have to find height, we multiply 2 times of into area into base. So this is the way we do the questions of triangle. Here are some examples. So we will just have a look to the first example. The first example is saying find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of triangle whose sides are 9 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter, and also find the length of altitude corresponding to the largest side of the triangle. So here you can see sides are given. It means we have to use the formula of finding the area of triangle when the sides are given. So we'll just let A as 9, B as 12 and C, we have just considered two sides as A, B, C, and then after we will find the perimeter of this, and then we will find the semi perimeter. So perimeter we will find by adding all the sides, and after that we will find the semi perimeter by dividing it by 2. Now after that, area of triangle will be the formula which is used. You have to learn this formula. This is S, so that is the semi perimeter multiplied by S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So semi perimeter is 18, so we'll just multiply 18 and then bracket 18 minus 9, 18 minus 12 and 18 minus 15, and after that we'll just under root it and we'll take the square root of the figure which is under the square root, and we have to use the make use of the chapter that is square and square root. We have already studied this. The next they are saying you also have to find the length of the altitude, that is you have to make the use of the next formula, that is area of the triangle when the height is given. So it will be half base into corresponding height, that is half base is over here, base is 15 and height is h. We always take the longest side as base, so that is why we have taken 15 over here. And after that we have to just substitute the values and we'll get the answer, because we have already found the area from here, so we can easily find the height of the triangle. In the next question you can see the area of equilateral triangle whose one side is centimeter. It is given that one side is given in centimeters, and you have to find the area of equilateral triangle. Now equilateral triangle are the triangles whose all the sides are equal, that is all the sides will be a, so it will be 3a upon 2 and area will be under root of 3 upon 4 into a square centimeter. Area is always, the unit of area is always in a square. So this is the formula for equilateral triangle. We will just make use of this formula whenever we have to find the area of equilateral triangle if it is given in the question. The next part is the base of isosceles triangle. Now isosceles triangles are triangles whose two sides are equal, so you have to find the perimeter. If perimeter is given, you have to find the area of the triangle. So you can see this is the figure which is already, they have made the figure over here in the example. Two sides are equal because it is isosceles triangle. One of its sides is given as 12 centimeter and perimeter is given as 32. So we'll just substitute the value and find the value of x as 10, that is these two sides are 10 and 10 and this is 12. After that we will find the perimeter, it's given as 32, so we'll just substitute the value over here. We'll just take out the semi perimeter of 32 will be 16, so semi perimeter is 16. After that we have to find the area, so area will just make use of this formula because sides are given. Whenever sides are given, we make use of this formula, and whenever height and altitude is given, we have to make use of the formula, that is half base into height. So we will just make use of this formula and find the value of area of the triangle in centimeter or meter square, whatever the unit is. The alternative method is also given to this question by making the use of the formula, that is half base into height. So you can use both of the methods are correct.